Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to the Life of DNA. I'm too hyped today.
Why you hyped, Dave?
I said I am too freaking hyped today.
Why you hyped, Dave?
Today we're going to the beach, baby. Today we are going to the beach and we're taking you guys with. We hope you guys have a good time. We got the football, the soccer ball, the volleyball, the grill, the charcoal, everything set up for today. Let's go have some fun. Damn, babe, you look good. You talk to me? You're talking to the DNA fam. Let's show them the little princess. Okay, belly on fleek, baby. What's up? What did you want to talk about?
Turn it off. Ooh, the sun is hitting.
Oh man,
hard.
what a day.
Oh
We
my
are
God, the
exhausted.
sun.
We are leaving downtown finally. We've been here for I think 7 or 8, about 6 hours or so, 6 or 7 hours. Oh shit, sorry buddy.
Yeah, you guys, we came to just chill with family. We came to the beach. It was really nice. We barbecued. We got to see everyone. But we're exhausted. I can't wait to get home, honestly. So that's pretty much our day. Is there anything else you'd like to say, Abe?
Oh, thanks for subscribing already.
And you guys, if this video put a smile on your face, share it with a friend and put a smile on there.
Well, no, it doesn't work that way, babe. I gotta say it. Guys, if this video put a smile on your face, be sure to share it with a friend. Put a smile on theirs. We'll see you next time.